Tired of battling stubborn carpet stains and pet hair? Here are the 5 best vacuum options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, BISSELL Little Green Mini. The BISSELL Little Green Mini caught my eye with its compact size and portability, priced at $88.99. If you want a powerful little cleaner to tackle those pesky spills and stains, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This mini cleaner is designed to handle more than just carpets. That means whether you've got a nasty spill on your carpet or dirt from your pet on the couch, it's ready to help clean it up. Plus, with over 40,000 units sold just this month, people clearly trust it for their deeper cleaning needs. Now, some people complained about its size, saying it feels a bit limiting for larger areas. Here's the thing though, if you need something handy for quick cleanups, the size is actually a benefit, making it easy to store and grab when needed. It's perfect for those little emergencies and spills, just not meant for doing an entire house in one go. This is perfect for you if you're a busy pet owner or someone who frequently deals with spills. Skip this one if you're looking for an all-in-one vacuum for large spaces. Honestly, for the price, you get a solid tool that brings convenience to your cleaning routine. Now, if the size of the BISSELL Little Green Mini is a concern for you, the next one takes a completely different approach with its powerful suction and versatility. Product number 2, Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe. The Shark Upright Vacuum Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe caught my attention with its detachable pod and powerful suction, typically priced around $199.99. If you're struggling with pet hair and need something that can clean both carpets and bare floors, this is worth a serious look. It has a HEPA filter that traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside, which means cleaner air for you and your family. With over 20,000 units sold this month, it's clear that many people are finding relief from their cleaning woes. Now, some people mention that it's a bit heavy to maneuver, especially when you're using it as an upright vacuum. Here's the thing though, if you can manage that weight, the suction power and versatility it offers make it a worthy trade-off. It's ideal for tackling various surfaces without needing multiple vacuums. This is perfect for you if you have pets or allergy concerns and need an effective all-around cleaner. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight and easy to carry around. For the investment, you're getting a reliable, effective cleaning solution that's built to last. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a lightweight vacuum without sacrificing power. Product number 3, Eureka NES 215A Blaze. The Eureka NES 215A Blaze caught my attention with its 3-in-1 design and lightweight frame, priced at just $30.45. If you want a budget-friendly vacuum that can handle quick cleanups without breaking your back, this is worth a serious look. It features a swivel steering function which improves maneuverability, allowing you to navigate around furniture with ease. Plus, with thousands sold this month, it's gaining popularity among those who need a simple solution for everyday messes. Now, some users felt it lacked the suction power for deep cleaning on carpets. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something to handle light debris and do quick touch-ups, this vacuum excels in that area. It's not meant for heavy-duty cleaning, but shines in convenience and ease of use. This is perfect for you if you need something lightweight and quick for small messes or apartment living. Skip this one if you're looking for a vacuum that can tackle deep cleaning or larger carpets. Honestly, for the price, it's a steal for casual cleaning needs. Now, if you're looking for something specifically designed to tackle pet hair, the next one on our list might just be your new best friend. Product number 4, Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Liftoff. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Liftoff caught my eye with its powerful suction and unique liftoff technology, priced at $149.99. If your home is filled with furry friends and you need a vacuum that can handle hair and allergens, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it has a HEPA sealed allergen system that captures 99.9% of allergens, keeping the air in your home cleaner. With over 10,000 sold this month, it's clearly making a difference in the lives of many pet owners. Now, some users noted that the detachable pod feels a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, while it might be heavier than some, the added suction power and versatility for cleaning all areas of your home far outweigh that downside. It's built to tackle the toughest pet messes. This is perfect for you if you have pets and need something that effectively deals with hair and allergens. Skip this if you need a lightweight vacuum for quick cleanups. For the price, you're getting a robust solution that takes pet cleaning to another level. Now, if you're after a vacuum that combines affordability with solid performance, let's check out the final product on our list. Product number 5. Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E impressed me with its powerful suction and versatility, typically priced around $199.99. If you want a vacuum that can tackle both carpets and hard floors effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. It also includes a HEPA filter that traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, ensuring cleaner air. With a strong sales record of over 10,000 this month, it's clearly a favorite among homeowners. Now, some people mention that the vacuum can feel bulky during use. Here's the thing though, that bulkiness comes with greater capacity and power, making it easier to tackle bigger jobs without constantly emptying the dust cup. This is perfect for you if you want a vacuum that combines power and versatility for different surfaces. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact and lightweight. Honestly, for its features and performance, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about keeping their floors clean. So there you have it, from the compact BISSELL Little Green Mini to the powerful Shark Navigator Lift-Away. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lift-Off because of its specific design for pet owners and allergen control. Avoid the Eureka NES 215A if you need something for deep cleaning. It's more suited for quick pickups. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.